Our first problem, taking into consideration all the steps from common denominators to simplifying the answer. We're going to need common denominators on this. A lot of the calculation may actually happen in your head at this point, but I'm taking the larger number and I'm going to do multiples of 6 and test them against the 2. For example, is there anything that will multiply by 2 that makes 6? Yes. So our common denominator is 6. This fraction is already in 6, so it just transfers over. So I'm going to copy the 5 and the 1. And now I have to start to think, what times 2 gave me 6? I multiplied 2 by 3, which means that I also have to multiply its numerator by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. This is what gives me the equivalent fraction. I'm calling 1/2 3/6 in this case because I need to have a common denominator. Bring over your whole number. Now our denominators are the same. We're adding, so we're going to add our numerators and keep the denominators. I usually put the denominator in there first, so it's placed. The only place I now can put my addition calculation is there. That's so I don't mix up the spots. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we add the whole number. 5 plus 12 is 17. Now this fraction has the numerator lower, smaller than the denominator, so it might already be in lowest terms. But we really do have to check this out according to our divisibility rules. First of all, I'm looking to see if I have both the numerator and denominator having even numbers, and we do. So I know 2 will divide into both the numerator and the denominator. Maybe something higher will, but I know 2 definitely will. If you can think of a number that's bigger than 2 that divides into it, you will be thinking about the greatest common factor. In this particular case, 2 is the greatest common factor. So I'm going to be dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So let's pull over our whole number so we don't forget about it, and then start the division. 2 divides into 4 2 times. 2 divides into 6 3 times. Now I'm going to check it one more time. This, however, is in counting order. 1, 2, 3. So I know that this is lowest terms for this fraction.